Let us continue the preparation of carboxylic acids. There are various methods to prepare carboxylic acids. First method is by oxidation. As we know that oxidation is carried out by various oxidizing agents like KMnO4, K2Cr2O7, CrO3. That means chromic trioxide. These are carried out in presence of neutral acid or alkaline medium. Usually in this case, maximum reactions are carried out in alkaline and acidic media. First I will take that definitely alcohols, they are converted into aldehydes. Further they undergo oxidation giving to carboxylic acids. Okay. So here example I have taken as primary alcohols. How primary alcohols? They are said to be undergoing oxidation. The reaction is represented here. Primary alcohols, that is RCH2OH in presence of KMnO4 in alkaline media. Hydrolysis is carried out in acid media and the product is said to be carboxylic acid. Now I will use here the example as alcohol. One example is given in the textbook, that is 1-decanol. 1-decanol. Formula is CH3CH2 8 times CH2OH. It is carried out in presence of that oxidizing agent CrO3 in acid media. Now the product is said to be CH3CH2 8 times. This only group undergoes oxidation, that is COOH. Name is said to be decanoic acid. How the mechanism is carried out, later I will represent in the notes. Come to know, second is from alkyl benzene. This alkyl benzene indicates only the oxidation is carried out in side chain. Therefore, it is known as side chain oxidation. I will use here toluene as an example, or methyl benzene undergoes oxidation by heating with KMnO4 and alkaline media KOH. There is a removal of water by OH and H, and oxidation means it gives nascent oxygen. They are said to be substituted in this carbon. Now the intermediate product formed is said to be at the side chain COOK. This is intermediate. Further it undergoes hydrolysis. Now it is giving, that is benzoic acid. Either this CH plus and OH minus act as the catalyst also, or they are said to be undergoing hydrolysis. Okay. Next is said to be, you have to practice the same way. Methyl benzene is there. Ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene, that indicates need not be necessarily the product is said to be phenyl acetic acid. It is simply a benzoic acid. That means there are two carbon atoms, only one carbon atom is undergoing in oxidation state. Okay, the product is said to be again benzoic acid. Note that example. Come to know, next is from nitriles and amines. First you have to convert how nitriles into amines. Nitriles formula is RC triple bond N, that is undergoing hydrolysis in acid or alkaline media. Now the product is said to be amines. Simply on hydrolysis of nitriles, amines are forming. Amines again they undergo acid or base presence, they are converted into carboxylic acids. Okay, here I will use one example, that is acetamide. Acetamide formula is CH3CONH2, undergo hydrolysis in acid media. The product is said to be CH3COOH, that is carboxylic acid. We have to take a for our practice, instead of CS3 group, you have to change C2H5 or C6H5. Here I used benzamide. Benzene ring CONH2. Name is said to be benzamide. As it is, you have to write the reaction in your practice. Either you have to change it is C2H5 or C6H5. Somewhat important reactions. Again I will represent such type reactions or I will try to represent their mechanism in notes. Better you have to practice all these main reactions in your main study. Okay. There is one more preparation. That preparation is said to be from Grignard reagent. Third one is said to be from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. There is no explanation, just you understood the reaction and conditions. That is enough for your explanation. Grignard reagent formula is RMgX plus I am treating, there is one compound CO2. It is solid, means it is called as a dry ice. Solid, carbon dioxide solid is known as dry ice. Definitely there is an intermediate compound is formed, that is RC double bond O. RC double bond O. How it is? This carbon is become a plus and this is as it is minus. R is minus, M is plus plus and this is X. Why it is minus? Because it withdraws and it becomes plus and it becomes minus. Now that oxygen is bonded to magnesium, OMgX, which undergoes hydrolysis, HOH. The product is said to be RC double bond O as it is, and this splits. It takes electrons towards itself, it becomes a plus. Now it becomes O minus and this is H plus, it withdraws. Okay, plus remaining is said to be as it is, Mg is there and X is there. This OH is balances that magnesium valency. Now this product is said to be carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. You have to take for your practice, the examples are said to be R is equals to CH3 or C2H5 or C6H5. Okay. So these are said to be the few examples for the preparation of carboxylic acids. And one more example I will represent, that is from acyl halides. Acyl halides. The meaning of acyl halides is nothing but the formula RCOCl. RCOCl. Those undergoes hydrolysis giving carboxylic acids, either in presence of acid or alkali. So I will represent next is said to be from acyl halides. General formula is RC double bond OCl, acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. It undergoes hydrolysis in two different ways and it is giving the product as carboxylic acid. First one is H2O, definitely undergoes hydrolysis. There is Cl minus and H plus combined forming HCl. Remaining is RC double bond O. Okay, this is a carbon plus. It becomes OH minus. This is one type of compound form. Okay, and next is said to be in presence of base that undergoes hydrolysis, OH minus and H2O. As it is the same product is formed, that product is RC double bond O, O minus, RC double bond O, O minus, and as it is Cl minus, or simply the same. First one you have what you have represented, that is enough for the second also. Okay, so here I will take the examples. Instead of R is equals to CS3 you have to use. And one more type, that is from acid anhydride, acetic anhydride, acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. How we have to prepare from this? That is CH3 C double bond O CH3 CS3CO twice, CS3CO twice and O. Acetic anhydride formula is CH3 CO twice O. How it undergoes hydrolysis and giving the product as acetic acid. Okay. So definitely hydrolysis means CH plus OH minus. Here needed is said to be CS3CO. CS3CO. Simply I will represent by different way. CH3 double bond O. And next this is CS3CO. CS3CO is one form. CS3CO. And the next is CH3C double bond O. Okay. CS3CO twice O. One part CS3CO combines with that OH, forming is nothing but CH3COOH. CS3CO combines with OH, forming CS3COH. Another part CS3CO, another oxygen is there. Now it combines with H plus. Now it is forming the true acetic acid. Its mechanism I will represent later. Similarly, we have to practice another anhydride, that is C6H5CO twice. Complete this reaction. It is said to be benzoic anhydride. And another we have to practice by taking both CS3CO twice O plus C6H5CO twice O. We have to complete this reaction also. Okay. I will give mechanism later. Okay.